Chinquidea. It has recently made a comeback in the video game Assassin's Creed.
I will take your weapon and deliver killing blows to this big carcass. On the backhand slash, cut all the way through and lacerated the ribs. On the other edge, it cut the spine in half. Balance of the blade makes it very wieldable in combat. All right, Neil, you ready?
Ready.
This is heavier compared to Dan's blade. The edges are sharp enough to lacerate the spine all the way through. The base and the weight allows for a power slash. Overall, your Chinquidea will kill.